SWAT team should be here very soon. Right now I still have eyes on you. You can see me, okay? So if anything changes, I'm staring directly at you, okay? Okay, and we're just waiting for them, and then we'll get things rolling. But right now, just keep listening to them, talking to them, and just trying to obviously do what you do and de-escalate, and we'll work through it, okay? Okay, you're doing a great job, okay? All right, all right.
I got it. You got it? Yeah. All doors are locked?
All of them are locked.
Oh, he just pushed it.
Hands up. Rescue. Give me there. Get the door. Get the door. Get the door. Get down on the ground right now. Hands up. Hands up. On the ground. On the ground. Get on the ground. Face down on the ground.
Victims are out.
Get time.
All right, hit me.
Slow it down. Slow it down.
Hold on.
Hold on.
We're not going to shoot you, man. We're not going to shoot you.
Calm down. Get that rifle up. Get that rifle up.
Shoot me right now.
We're not going to.
Shoot me. Shoot me.
I got this hand.
I got his head
I'm
on
man. If you keep doing that.
Shoot me.
I'm okay here.
Shoot me.
We're going to slow it down, guys.
Shoot me.
Let's get
Shoot
him
me right
over.
now. Shoot me right now.
No one's going to.
Shoot me.
No one's going to shoot you.
Shoot me right now.
No.
Shoot me right now.
You're doing fine, buddy.
Yep, just calm down.
Shoot me right now.
Just calm down. I got his
Shoot
head.
me.
Really, you want me to take it?
Hey, you did a great job. I know that's not easy. You did great. Okay? We're here for you, all right, right now. So I'm going to give you a few minutes, though, and if you would like to talk to us, we're here, all right?